Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are very fine and you are safe at home. Children, welcome back to the school. I hope you enjoyed your summer vacation well. Now, back to class. Children, today we are going to start English Grammar Chapter 9. The name of the chapter is Am, and Are. Is, them, are, these are helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Helping verb is a verb that generally comes before the main verb in a sentence. For example, I am writing a letter. Here, the helping verb am comes before the main verb. Which is the main verb? Writing. This word is called main verb. Write, go, sleep, any action word is called verb. The main verb writing and add grammatical meaning to the sentence. Now, use of is or am. We use is or am when we talk about a singular noun. What is singular noun, children? Singular noun that is only one person, animal or thing. When we talk about only one person, one animal or one thing, it is called singular noun. Use of is. Now we will talk about where we use is. Is also helping verb. He, she, it, this, that. These are the words here where we will use is helping verb with these words. He, she, it, is. Singular noun. These are also singular noun because he, she, these are pronouns. It, this, that. When we are talking about one person, one thing, one animal, these are called singular nouns. For examples, he is a boy. She is reading. It is a table. This is a dog. That is a school. Delhi is a big city. There is a bird in the sky. Children, he, she, it, this, that, Delhi. There is a bird. We are talking about singular noun. These all are called singular noun. Now, we will talk about where to use am helping verb. Am is always used with I. It is very easy to learn where to use am helping verb. We use am helping verb with only I. See, I am having my breakfast. We are using here am helping verb with I. I am a good boy. I am playing. I am very happy today. So, here I is the friend of am. Am is having only one friend. Now use of are. Are is the next helping verb. We use are when we talk about plural noun. Plural means many. Singular means when we talk about one person, one animal or one place or thing. So plural noun, that is more than one person, animal, place or thing. Use of are. When we use are helping verb, you, we, they, these, those. We use are with these words. They are. More than one. There are 4 children here. More than one. It is singular and these are called plural. So we are using here they are. With plural noun means when we talk about plural, more than one. For example, you are my friend. Children, it is to remember you have to use are helping verb with you when you are writing any sentence that is start from you letter, you word. So we will write you are, not you is or you am. You are my friend. We are eating. We means we are talking about more person. We are eating. They are going. They, more than one person, many people, they are going. These are mangoes. These we are using here. These we use for plural. When we talk about plural, then we use these. These are mangoes. Mangoes, more than one. Ria and Seema are best friends. 2 girls are here. So we will write here are helping verb. Lion and tiger are wild animals. Both are 2 animals. So we will write here are helping verb. So children, today we learnt about how to use helping verbs is, am or are. You will do practice in your grammar book and you will read the rules where to use these helping verbs. So children, thank you. Have a nice day.